Tonight, a national spotlight on Tennessee.
They're just great people. It's a great state.
President Trump there consoling communities grieving the loss of 24 lives and approving federal aid. This week's deadly twisters leveled at least 60 miles of land.
Tornado came through and got us.
Now, a fresh reminder, this is the volunteer state.
It's only 10 o'clock in the morning and already look how many people are lined up on this street all the way down the block in just one neighborhood. And this is just the beginning.
Storm survivor Nikki Avila, so grateful.
Having these volunteers here is life-changing.
Volunteers from near and far.
It's pretty surreal, and realizing these are people's lives.
A cavalry of help lifting up Nashville.
What brings you out?
We want to help people get their lives all back turned around.
From the Tennessee Titans on the debris field to telethons with major recording superstars. A beautiful sensation in the Music City. Human harmony.
What is the most uplifting thing you've seen?
All these people out here doing their very level best to help everybody in this community get back to some semblance of normalcy.
Sam Brock, NBC News, Nashville.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.